Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to secure boot windows. First, understand that Secure Boot is a security standard developed by members of the PC industry to help ensure that your PC boots using only software trusted by the PC manufacturer. When the PC starts, the firmware checks the signature of each piece of boot software, including firmware drivers and the operating system. If the signatures are valid, the PC boots. Otherwise, the PC won't boot. Before enabling Secure Boot, you might need to prepare your system. Many modern systems already use GPT, but if your drive is MBR, you'll need to convert it. This is crucial for UEFI mode. Also, ensure your BIOS or UEFI firmware is up to date. Always back up your important files before making significant system changes to prevent any data loss. Now, let's enable Secure Boot. Restart your computer and press the designated key, often F2, F10, Delete, or ESC, to enter your UEFI firmware settings. Once inside, look for a Boot or Security tab. You should find the Secure Boot option there. Enable it, save your configuration, and then exit. Your system will restart with Secure Boot active. After restarting, it's important to verify that Secure Boot is indeed enabled. Open system information by typing msinfo32 in the Run dialog. Look for Secure Boot state and confirm it says On. If you encounter any issues, double-check your UEFI settings or refer to your motherboard's manual for specific instructions. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.